I'm Dr. Nelly Quintin de la Cruz, and I'm an obstetrician gynecologist of Manila Doctors Hospital. I was an intern here since 1995. I had my residency here as well, and I started my practice from 2003 up to present. Okay, actually when I was young, na-imbibe na sa akin ng parents ko ang maging doktor. So parang hindi na ako na-challenge kung anong i-take ko pagdating ng college. Tuloy-tuloy na kasi they will always tell me, magiging doktor ka. So, napakadali, napakasimple ng reason. When I started my practice, doon ko na-realize na being a doctor is not just a profession, but it is a commitment to serve. Committed ka to continuously learn, upgrade your knowledge, your skills, so that we can serve our patients better. I think I consider Manila Doctors Hospital as my second home. Why? Dito na ako nag-internship, dito na ako nag-residency. I started my practice here up to now. So basically, more than half of my life, I spend in Manila Doctors Hospital. Dito na rin ako nakapag-asawa, nagkaroon ng pamilya. So I think Manila Doctors Hospital provided me the right things, the right environment so that I can serve our patients better. We have so many doctors that are highly specialized in their field. Magagaling ang mga doctors natin at mababait. Of course, we also have our nurses na mababait and always happy to serve. Challenges. I think one of the challenge talaga is when we get complications. Sometimes, even if we did our best, the outcome is not always as expected. So, we just have to learn how to deal with it, no? Minsan, mahirap emotionally, kasi how will you explain it to the patient? I mean, the patient trusted you, then biglang ganito, no, nagkaroon ng complications. And sometimes, syempre, mga sleepless nights yan, ano? Nire-replay mo sa mind mo kung ano yung nangyari, ganyan. So, we just have to learn how to deal with it with compassion, with empathy. Kailangan lang talaga natin, maganda ang rapport natin sa patient so that we can explain to them, and then, of course, they will continuously trust us, especially as an obstetrician gynecologist. No? We take care of two patients. It's the mother and the child, and the baby. No? So, yung trust na binibigay nila sa amin, it inspires me to continuously learn and improve my skills. I think what resonates most sa akin is the teamwork. Kasi kailangan we have to work together. Because we have one goal, and that is to provide the best quality healthcare to the patient. I just hope they will remember me as someone who really see patient. Someone na pag sinabi, ay, si Dr. de la Cruz, mabait yan. Very magiliw yan sa patient. Very accommodating. Yun yung gusto kong ituro sa mga new generation, sa mga residents. No? It's not just all knowledge, but they have to see the patient. They have to have these people skills then. That is needed yan talaga. Kasi ikaw yung matatandaan ng pasyente kapag more than the statistics na sinasabi mo sa patient, more than the studies na sinasabi mo sa patient, it's how you deal with your patient. Yun yung matatandaan ng pasyente sa'yo. My mission is to provide them the best quality healthcare. Thank you.